welcome back to Non-Techie. In the previous video we learned how to use the where class and the update query. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, please watch it. The link is in the description below. In the today's video we are going to learn the part 1 of the built-in functions in SQL. That is the aggregate function, and we will be using the same data we created in previous video. As you can see the data here. So let's get started. The very first function we are about to see is the max function. Max function will give you the maximum value of the column. Let's say we want to know the maximum salary of the employees. So we will write select max, then we will give our column name, that is salary, from our table name, that is employee, and we'll just execute it, and you will get the maximum salary, that is 3000. In the similar way, we can use the next function, that is the min function. If I write minimum salary and execute it, I will get the minimum salary, that is 2000. The next function we are going to see is the average value of any column. So just write average, that is avg, and execute it, and that is our average salary for all the employees. Next is the sum function. The sum function will give you the addition of all the values in the column. So we will write select sum, and then we will give the table name, that is salary, from employee, and this query will give us the addition, or you can say the summation, of all the salaries of the employees. That goes out to 24,700. That's how you use the sum function. The next function we are about to see is the count function. Count function will give you the number of values in the column. Let's say we want to know the number of people staying in Texas and have a salary more than 2000. Let's check our table once more. So we will be needing the count of people staying in Texas and salary is more than 2000. So we'll write select count. Here we can pass star from employees, and we will give a where clause where address is equal to Texas and salary is more than 2000. And as soon as I will execute this, I will get the count of the people who are living in Texas and have a salary more than 2000. So there are 4 people who are staying in Texas and have a salary more than 2000. Let's check. If I run again this query, we can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's how you use a count function. The next function we are going to see is the distinct function. The distinct function gives us the unique values from the column. Let's say we want to know from which part of the world we have the employees from. So we will write select distinct, and we will give the column name address from employee, and this will give us all the distinct or all the unique address of our employees. So our employees are from California, Canada, New York, and Texas. You can also use the count function along with distinct function to get the number of distinct values. So I will copy this entire query, paste it, and just add a count function right before the distinct function, and we will get the value as 4 as we have 4 distinct address. We'll execute it and we get the answer as 4. That's all for today, guys. I hope you learned a few new things today. Please like, subscribe and share to all. We'll meet again in the next video with few more queries. Till then, keep learning and thanks for watching.